sections 3.1 to 3.2, and I want to kind of go over what's going to be on it and possibly go over some examples. I strongly suggest you guys write this down. All right. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to be given a set of data. And you're going to have to calculate the mean, median, and mode. Oops. For this data. So obviously you could do this all in the calculator except for the mode. Remember, the mode is the one that occurs the most often. All right, you're going to also have to explain the difference between mean and weighted mean. And let me give you an explanation. Okay, so in the weighted mean, and a weighted mean, some data points contribute more weight than others. For a regular mean, all data points are weighted equally. Okay, so then you're going to have to calculate the weighted mean, much like the test, the grade problem, warm-up problem that we did. So then you're going to have to calculate the weighted mean. And just think about the warm-up problem. And then it's going to ask you an analysis problem, like, would it be better if grades were weighted this way? You know, and so all you have to do is calculate the weighted mean again and tell me if that's the case. All right. Okay, so and then the next thing you're going to have to do is describe a distribution. Yeah. And you're going to be seeing regular distributions, and you're also going to see box and whisker plots too. And that's just from the notes that I gave you. You're going to have to calculate the variance and standard deviation manually with group data, right? So you're going to have to use the midpoint. And there's an exercise. We did that. That's in your 3.2 notes supplement. And then you're also going to have to use the empirical rule. Yeah, sorry. Use the empirical rule for two problems. You're going to have to draw and label the normal curve. And you're going to have to do the 68, 95, 99.7 rule. And you're going to have to label that normal curve. You will not have your normal curve thing that I gave you for your notes. Okay, you're going to have to memorize that. As far as doing the standard deviation and stuff, they've already got like they've labeled the tops of those tables and everything. So as long as you know how to interpret those tables, you're okay. And you're going to finally have to calculate a weighted mean from a table. And I'm going to go ahead and give you an example. So let's say you have a score of, let's say, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And there were 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 people that did that. You're going to have to calculate the scores. So to do that, you're going to multiply these. So you've got 5 times 5 is 25. This is 24. This is 21. This is 16 and 9. And so you add this up. It's 9, 10, 15. So this is 15 is your total. Right? So I have 25 plus 24 plus 21 plus 16 plus 9. So that's 95. And I would take 95 and divide it by 15. Okay, and that gives me 6.3 as my average score. Okay, so that's kind of a weighted mean, basically. It is a weighted mean. And the other thing, when I talk about the table, I'll just show you the table. The table that you guys have to do is right here. You have to, they're giving you the midpoints, the frequency. You have to calculate f of x. And see, it's telling you exactly what you have to do, right? So it should not be hard, all right? If you were paying attention at all, it should not be hard. So that is what you need to know for the quiz. All right. I also wrote up a thing for the test, which is also posted on Edmodo. Okay, so that is the quiz next class.